Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce a Monster 24 bio-ethanol fireplace. It's a round, freestanding in the dimensions of the 80 to 26 centimeter available ethanol fireplace for indoor and outdoor use. We have here a beautiful flame play and DIN EN 16647 certified. This is either as a terrace fireplace and a floor fireplace too. It's available in anthracite dark, or you can get it in cream as you need it, or gray. This Monster 24 organic ethanol fireplace stove for the convenience with a high quality workmanship. The indoor fireplace of the ethanol fireplace is surrounded by 6mm safety glass. The powder coated metal body has an anti-slip surface protector for safety and durability. That's perfect for every reason. Indoor or and outdoor fire column or wind light column provides in the summertime and the springtime for nice atmospheric moments on the terrace, the balcony, in the garden or in the party hut. In wintertime, the indoor fireplace transforms the living room or the winter garden into a cozy oasis. Thanks to the ceramic fiber burner, the bioethanol fireplace stove indoors ensures an even and an efficient combusting, which allows a permanent burning time of about 3 hours. The additional combusting chamber ensures that we can enjoy the magic of fire continuously, similar to the warmth of the comfort of a classic indoor fireplace. We enjoy the bio-ethanol fire-standing fireplace without a board. We simply fill in, light and relax. No wood, no smoke, no smells or soot. With the high quality bioethanol from Monster 24, the ethanol fireplace offers an almost residue-free combusting. This is either for indoor and for outdoor use. We have here two combusting chambers. They are made out of stainless steel. We have ceramic wool, metal base, borosilicate glass cylinder, a decorative stone black and white, two flame rings, an extinguished stamp, combusting chamber, lifter, and an outdoor cover. Perfect for a pasture fire or as a stylish indoor ethanol fireplace. And it's all inclusive, except the ethanol, of course. It is for indoor and outdoor. Stylish fire for our home. We enjoy the atmospheric side of a real fireplace and enjoy the fascinating side of blazing flames. Experience an incomparable fire magic without the ashes, smoke, and soot. And the Monster 24 floor fireplace is an extensive complex set. Metal-based powder coated, anthracite and dark, glass cylinder made of the heat-resistant borosilicate glass, and two composition chambers with a glass fiber wool, 400 milliliter of capacity, a tank holder, a stainless steel pliers, for the burn replacement, extinguishing stamp, the decorative bricks, the outdoor cover, the rubber ring, and high quality materials. All new materials that have been tested in the form of powder coated and enthused stainless steel, and special fireproof borosilicate glass are used in that product here. Big difference, of course. The integrated frame separates the decorative material and glass cylinder from each other, and infinite burning time. We have two composition chambers with special fleece. The burn placement is less than 10 seconds without any contact with the hot components. So you can make this day long And it's a clean and uncomplicated, odorless, soot, and smoke-free. The experience in incomparable fire magic without ash, smoke, and food. Shoot, of course. So, what are you waiting for? This, if you're looking for a fireplace, which comes good for the nature, this here can be your choice. Because this is the Monster24 bio-ethanol fireplace. It's a round, freestanding, 80 to 26 centimeter ethanol fireplace for indoor and outdoor use. With, as you can see here, with a beautiful flame play. Indoor, outdoor, at daytime, nighttime, everything is possible. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!